Hello, and welcome to Anonymous Tea Ministry. With this being our first message, I'm going to start off with an introduction to our channel. I don't want the term ministry to be misleading. This could also be considered a sort of lecture series or a general study on spirituality, religion, and science. This is not a religious ministry. Not that religions are necessarily bad, but they tend to build barriers and sow seeds of division. Spirituality is at the core of every human being. We are one in spirit, one in consciousness, and one within the energy grid of existence. The word anonymous is symbolic in that the messenger is not important. The teachings are important. Most of what we need to learn and understand has already been around, most of it for thousands of years. Who I am is not important. I am only a messenger, a channel. Only the teachings that lay before us and their applications are important. This ministry is not born of ego and not meant to convince you of anything. It's certainly not for fame, followers, or money. I will never ask anything from you. I only wish to share, but not as a teacher, as a brother. A minister, preacher, sage, or spiritual guide should act in a similar manner to tea leaves in a cup of water. When tea leaves mix with water, the leaves add from within to help create a new drink. After the leaves are steeped, they are generally thrown out. What's left is a cup that was water, but now is enhanced with flavor, nutrients, and color. We drink tea, but we don't eat the tea leaves. This is the perfect analogy for correct spiritual teaching. A spiritual guide should enhance your life, but we shouldn't consume them. We shouldn't blindly follow. Instead, focus on the message and how it may enhance your life. During these videos, and on our channel, Anonymous Tea Ministry, we will seek for the common threads and themes that tie us together as one. We will seek metaphysical truth through the study of various ancient religious texts, enlightened beings, famous quotes, scientific findings, and other sources that have stood the test of time. Many of the problems we are facing need to be solved at the root. Much of our time is spent trying to fix our branches. Branches represent our external physical world. People hop around from branch to branch looking for stability, but these branches, these outer manifestations, they will never stabilize us. The outer manifestations are always changing. Branches snap and break often. We fall often. The stability and peace we're looking for is found at our root, which, for a lack of a better term, means our spiritual reality. Religion and spirituality, science and the study of metaphysics, our consciousness, our inner world, these things are at the root, below the surface. This is where problems are solved and stability is found. Humanity has reached a crucial point on this planet, in this dimension, in this realm of space and time. All things are accelerating. The amount of information that is flowing across the world, the technology, the amount of weaponry, and the scale of those weapons, these things all speed up humanity's evolution. It gives Earth a sense of urgency. What we must do as human beings is grow our light, grow spiritually, raise our frequencies, evolve towards higher consciousness, and leave ignorance and selfishness behind. To really search honestly for the truth is difficult in that it requires an open mind. It is no longer adequate enough to say, I'm a Christian, a Buddhist, a Taoist, a Hindu, or whatever. It's time to stop labeling and stop putting ourselves and others into boxes. We as humans are like flowers. The seed within us is our spirit, and in our culture, we are like the planters you may find at a store. During our upbringing, we are raised, we sprout, and grow within our little planter box. But if we don't move beyond our box, our growth will be stunted. Think of someone who was closed-minded. They are like the flowers, still stuck limited in their box. To expand and grow further, to reach our fullest potential, we need to plant ourselves directly into the earth, where we will then be connected to all things. This means having an open mind, embracing all things, and being one with all things. Finding the truth and realizing wholeness is like putting together a large puzzle, with the pieces of the puzzle scattered about the whole world. All people and all things contribute. We all provide pieces of the puzzle. Wholeness will be realized only after we put it all together. That is when we will unveil the complete picture of existence on earth and beyond. This is when we will find the truth, and our salvation will come with the knowledge of truth. About 2,000 years ago, Jesus Christ proclaimed we are the light upon the world, that we are light. Scientifically, light is electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation is radiant energy. Light is a form of energy. The seed within us, our spirit within us, in reality is light, energy, consciousness. Some call it the seed of Christ. It is within all people. Einstein discovered that everything that has mass has energy. E equals mc squared. And the famous quote from Nikola Tesla: if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Everything in existence is energy that is vibrating at various frequencies. These frequencies may be considered the Word of God. The law of conservation of energy states that energy is neither born nor destroyed. Our spirit within, our light, our energy can never be destroyed. We are eternal beings. We are the conscious energy, the light, the spirit that powers this physical vessel that is the human body. Furthermore, we are conscious energy within a mass energy grid of existence that contains everything. We are ever connected within this grid, and we are one within this grid. Jesus and many others taught the golden rule: treat others how you would want to be treated. Well, we can take this deeper, and we can take this further now and say, whatever you do to another, you actually do to another form of yourself. I'm excited to be able to share what has helped me and could possibly help you in the search for metaphysical truth and on the journey of spiritual evolution. I don't like rigidity, dogma, condemnation, or judgment. We should seek a balanced approach to spirituality where life is enjoyed and creative expression abounds. I believe we are called here to create. As human beings, we are a bridge from limitless unmanifestation to physical manifested matter. We should be living lives full of fun, peace, creativity, and of course, love. I hope you will tune in again, and please feel free to email anont@protonmail.com with any questions or comments. That's it for our introduction. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.